Hi guys, today I'm going to show an easy way to keep your hair out of your face this summer, whether you've got short, medium or long hair. To start, divide off a little triangle of hair at the front of your head, and we're just going to clip this out of the way for later. Next, divide the hair from the top of the ear to the top of your head, going diagonally up. Add some wax spray to calm flyaways. I'll pop everything I use in the description below. Then use your comb or brush to smooth it up to the top of the head and then secure it into a ponytail using a clear elastic band. Make a hole behind the elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Pass the end of your ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through that hole to create a twist. Now take that little section of hair that we left out at the start, smooth it out, and we're going to pop our fingers back through the hole, pass that front hair to your fingers and pull it all the way through the hole. Then tighten up that twist by pulling on the ponytail, and we're going to repeat on the opposite side. So leave out a little triangle of hair at the front of the head and clip it out of the way for later. Divide the rest of the hair from the top of the ear to the top of the head. Apply your wax spray and secure it into a high ponytail with a clear elastic band. Make your hole behind that elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Pass the end of your ponytail to your fingers and pull it back through that hole to create a twist. Then pop your fingers back through, grab that hair from the front, pass it to your fingers and pull it all the way through that hole. Then pull on the side of the ponytail to tighten that twist. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.